Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa. I got a haircut. It's a very shaggy haircut, just in time for holiday season, but today I'm gonna be solving one of my worst holiday dilemmas, which is what am I gonna do makeup-wise? I always struggle with my outfit. There are so many ways you can go. Same goes for makeup. Do I go crazy? Do I go super natural? Do I go somewhere in between? Should I do classic? And this year I really just wanna do no fuzz makeup. Like I wanna do a classic red lip. I haven't really done that in a while. I've strayed from tradition, and whenever I've done like holiday looks with red lips, they've always had like a twist. This year I'm in no mood for a twist. I just want to keep it classic and you know, just enhance my face a little, go a little glam but still keeping it natural. You guys know my favorite style of makeup. So if you're in a makeup dilemma currently, it's freaking December 24th and you're like, what do I do to my face? I want to look cute, put together for the pics, but also you don't want to put in too much time. This is the look for you. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's super easy. All of the products that you're going to need you already own. Like I guarantee you, it's a no fuzz makeup look that's perfect for this holiday season and every holiday season because red lips are always holiday season ready. So let's stop the blabbering and let's get to doing some makeup. I have all my products here and I'm ready to put them on the face. Let's go. For my base, again, I want to keep it very classic. I want to just even out my skin. I don't want a ton of makeup on. I want it to look very flawless, very seamless. I have a few products that are going to help me do that. But the beauty of this look is that it's very customizable. So if you do want to go fuller coverage, then go ahead, do your super full coverage base. Like this look can go either way. But to start us off, I'm going to do a little bit of the Hollywood Flawless filter by Charlotte Tilbury. I have mine in shade 4. And I'm just going to add this to the high points of my face. I'm doing this before my foundation so that I get that glow, like that glow shines through, but it's not as crazy as it would be if, well, this product isn't crazy, but the foundation will just like tone it down a little bit more. And it also adds like a little, like I could add this all over my face, but I'm just adding it to like key points. And you know what? I'm also going to add a little bit of this to my under eyes because it really helps brighten the very dark under eyes that I have right now. After doing that, I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm using the Yummy Skin Serum Foundation by Danessa Myricks. You guys know I love this one. This is in 7N. This foundation is just perfect if you're looking for like full coverage, but very light. Like a very light consistency because this will give you the coverage you need without piling a ton of makeup on your skin. Like, do you see that? It's crazy, and I'm literally just grabbing the tiniest bit. And I'm just gonna go in with a damp sponge and just make sure that this is well blended, no streakiness. Let's move on to the under eyes. I do want to correct today because, you know, it's the holidays, it's a special time, and let's correct the under eyes. This is the Milani Supercharged Brightening Under Eye Tint in the shade Peach, which just exploded literally everywhere. What a treat. What a treat. You don't need nearly as much as this, but for some reason it has exploded on me. So that's fun. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of this and go everywhere I have darkness on my under eyes. And then to conceal, I'm going to be doing the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is my favorite concealer ever because it is so versatile and it looks so nice. Okay, once the under eyes have been covered, I'm going to set with my Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. This is in Translucent Light, and it's one of my favorites, so I'm gonna use it to make my skin look flawless, because why not? And I'm just doing like a light set so that things don't get cakier. For cheeks, I want the focus to be on the blush because I will be doing a red lip, and I think a red lip with blush looks very nice, but I still want to add a little bit of dimension, so I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer in the shade Golden Days. It looks like this. It has been used and abused by me because it is really good, and I like it specifically for this look because it isn't too pigmented. Like, it just delivers what I need it to deliver. And I will be adding just a little bit of this to my crease, just to like connect the look. For blush, I'm bringing back my Flower Blush Bombs. This is in Cinnamon, and it is like not a super peachy color, but also it's kind of not very cool tone. I wanted it to be an in-between. And I'm gonna be fairly generous with my blush. Like, I do want it to be noticeable. And I'll probably even go over that with the lipstick. And you can't really tell because of the lighting, like you can't see it at all, but I do have quite a bit of blush on right now. And I'll probably add more once I have the lip on and stuff just to see, but for now I'm gonna leave it like that. To finish off the cheeks, I'm doing the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Stole the Show, which is a beautiful highlighter. I usually like to keep it to more, you know, natural highlight, but I wanted to go a little dramatic. I mean, it's holiday season, we can do a little bit of a sparkle, right? And I'm concentrating it to like this area right here. I'm just gonna fill in my brows pretty quickly and then we can move on to the eyes. I'm using the Kosas Brow Pop in the shade Dark Brown just to do a little bit of filling in. And to set everything, I'm using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. It's one of my favorites ever. And this just does magic on the brows, pushes them up, keeps them there. And this truly will keep my brows pushed up, so I don't have to worry about that. I've primed my eyes already with the Shake Primer by KVD Beauty, but the camera didn't catch that because I wasn't filming, but I did prime my eyes, very important. For the eyes, I'm thinking something very glittery, but simple. Think like Katie Jane Hughes vibes eyes, like a very thin, simple wing, and something very sparkly on the eyes. So to achieve that, I'm of course gonna use my Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes palette. Haven't been able to put it down, and I'm gonna be using this shade right here, which is the lightest of the glitters. I'm just gonna apply this all over my eyes. I already applied a little bit of that bronzer on the crease, so that's gonna help things out a little bit, but I'm just gonna go to town with this. And you want it to be sparkly. You want it to look like a disco ball in your eyelid. So you can bring it up as much or as little as you want. I want to bring it up quite a bit. So I'm bringing it up all the way to my crease. And after a few layers of glitter on the lids, now that our lids look very fluttery, I'm gonna go in with the Suva Beauty Hydro Liner in Doodle. This is a matte and it's white and black. I'm gonna use the black in a really, really fine brush. Let me find it. And I'm just gonna do a really thin half liner now that the sun has left us yet again. These are water activated, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of water to this. You can go as, again, thin or as thick as you want to. I'm doing a little thinner because I want it to be very natural, but I still want to add a little extra something. Now it's time for the wing, the hardest part. Okay, so that's not too bad. Now I have to recreate it on the other side, which is gonna be fun. Okay, so this one got a little bit fucked up. I'm going to be cleaning that up and then I'm gonna move to mascara. Okay, the wings are not perfect, but they're on and they're the best they're gonna get, so I'm gonna do my mascara. I'm gonna go super volume. Again, you could do like falsies if you wanted to, but in the spirits of keeping this, you know, natural glam, I'm not doing that. I'm just using my Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara, which is, you know, might as well be falsies for me. I love this so, so much, and I'm just gonna do a few coats of this one. Okay, so now that our lashes are looking big and va va boom, and I have this beautiful friend right here, I'm gonna wait till dry so that I take it off, but I'm thinking I want to leave my lower lashes bare. I don't know. I like that. Does it look like incomplete? I'm not sure. I'm looking at myself and I kind of like how that looks. For now, I think they're staying bare. That might change later, but I'm just gonna go get rid of this and then I'll come back to do the lips. For my lips, I'm gonna keep it really classic and go for a red, but I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Spicy Sienna stain. This is like a lip stain, so it is glossy and it is a little bit orangey. It's not super classic red. And I'm gonna go with this one, but the beauty of this look is you can literally go with anything. You could do a nude. If red isn't your color, you can do something like more orangey, like the Merit Cabo, which I've talked about a lot, you guys. I'm gonna swatch it here. You know, something like this. It's a little red, but it's, you know, it's a little different. You could also go for just a matte red. I have this one by Gucci. This is Goldie Red. This is their classic one and it is matte and it is gorgeous. I have worn this for the holidays before and it's so pretty and it wears so well. If you're not feeling very red though, or if your outfit doesn't go with it or whatever, you can go in with something more rusty like terracotta. This is Freck Makeout Club lipstick and Freck Rust, which is also a matte and it is a lot more rusty and brown. You could also go for more classic brown, or if you want to go a little different, more burgundy, you know, you're going in a different direction, you could do something like MAC Diva, which is super burgundy, very purpley, but also like a really nice holiday red. I'm just gonna be sticking to my e.l.f. one, but first I'm gonna line my lips because you know I am a mess when it comes to applying lipstick. Now I'm gonna do a combination of two liners. I'm first lining with my NYX lip pencil in Nude Beige, which you guys know I love. This is gonna help me contour my lips and like define, and then I'm gonna go in with the Make It Forever Artist Color Pencil in Perpetual Fire, which this is very red, and I'm gonna be applying this all over my lips. But first, let's even them out. Now let's go in with the red. I'm using this red lip liner as a base more than anything else to help with the longevity of the color. And once that is done, oh wow, I really love this. I'm gonna go in with this on top. And once that is on, I think all I'm gonna do is add a little bit of setting powder around the edge to clean up, but also to help with the bleeding because this is more of a glossy stain. There will be a bit of bleeding, like it's inevitable because of the formula. So I'm just gonna grab a tiny brush and I'm gonna go around with the setting powder because I find that setting powder is so much easier to blend than like, you know, your concealer, which is what a lot of people use when cleaning up. And this also, you know, obviously cleans out the lid. Okay, for the finishing touches, I think I want to add a little bit more blush, so I'm going to go in directly with the same red on my lips and just add that to tie the look in and to add a little bit more intensity to the blush, as you can see, hopefully. Fuck this lighting. Last but not least, I'm doing a little bit of setting spray, Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. And once that's done, the look is complete. Let me zoom you guys in and we can talk about it, shall we? This is my classic holiday makeup. I really am feeling myself. I love it. Combination of the sparkles and of the red is amazing. Again, it's so cool that you can customize this look, make it more dramatic or less dramatic. It's very customizable. So you do you this holiday season, but I am in love. Nothing revolutionary, just a classic look that enhances your features and makes you feel good. What's not to love about that? Okay, you guys, and that is a wrap on today's video. Holiday makeup look. Check. You can really do this look in 5 minutes and like be less meticulous about everything. Just slap on some shimmer, red lip, out the door, or you can really take your time with it, perfect it, get super glam. I love that you can go both ways and that it's classic either way. It's gonna go with everything, and again, you have options, babe, so you really can customize this. I will also venture out and say that this is a perfect look for New Year's as well. Like, I'll toot my own horn. You can even add like rhinestones to your eyes to make it a little bit more fun. You can switch out the lip if you don't want to go with classic, but yeah, you could also definitely turn this into a New Year's Eve look, which is fun. I mean, the sparkles go all year round in my opinion. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this video was helpful. I hope that you got some holiday inspo from this. I hope this was an easy guide for you. As always, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It helps me out a lot. And if you're into super easy and real makeup and beauty content, kind of like today, then please make sure to subscribe. Buttons down below. And yeah, that's all I have to say, you guys. Have a happy holiday season. I hope you have fun with your loved ones and your friends. And if you're having a hard time this holiday season, I'm sorry about that. I'm sending you a big air hug, and I hope that my videos can provide some entertainment for you. Just know that I love you. I thank you every day for being here with me, and just, yeah, have a happy holidays, babes. Bye. Mwah.